Here are some of the biggest mistakes that new course creators make. Please do not do these. This is what makes so many people fail. Hello, I'm Sarah Cordiner, your qualified course creation specialist, and I have been in this industry for well over 15 years as a qualified teacher trainer, and I can tell you now that I've seen some common mistakes that are made over and over again that are causing course creators to fail before they've even really got themselves off the starting line. Number one mistake that people make is they give up too easily. Yes, there's loads of stuff that you need to learn. Yes, it is hard work selling anything online, and it requires dedicated consistency and persistence over a long period of time. So many new course creators think as soon as I've published the thing and put it out there, it's going to bring me in millions of dollars. And sadly, unfortunately for all of us, that's not how it works. It does take a bit more work and effort for that. A lot of people think, posting your link to your course on Facebook, doing a couple of posts on social media once a week is going to make you successful. Again, unfortunately, that's not how it works. So a lot of people do those first initial posts, they've created the product, they've had all these big high hopes from all of the whoopee gurus out there that tell them they're going to become a millionaire overnight, and they then just go, this isn't working, I'm no good at this isn't going to work for me, and they quit. No, please don't quit early, because quitting doesn't get you there faster. It's as simple as that. So please remember, step one is creating your product. Step two, marketing that product, building an audience, getting it in front of people, making sales consistently requires consistent marketing. Your product will only sell to the level at which you are putting in marketing and to the amount of people that you are actively putting it in front of. Do not quit, because quitting does not sell your course. Mistake number two that I see a lot of new course creators making is that they try to create one humongous, absolutely ginormous course on their first go. How to set yourself up for failure. Guys, do not put so much pressure on yourself. Creating a course, like doing anything new, as I've said, requires lots of learning. There's loads of stuff you're going to have to figure out for the first time. It's like you've never gone hiking before, or you've never run before, and you're trying to set yourself up to climb Mount Everest or run a triathlon on your first ever time. You've got to work yourself up to doing these bigger programs. I recommend that your first course that you create is going to be a small little lead magnet course. That way, you're going to learn the process of picking the right topic, how to do your market research to make sure it's going to sell and people are interested, structuring it, filming it, editing it, and sticking it up on an online platform. You are going to learn that on a small scale. It's going to be much easier for you to face and tackle and execute and complete, most importantly. Then you copy that exact same process again for a slightly bigger course, for your coaching program, for your authority flagship, or copy and paste on a small scale for micro learning for your own membership academy. Please don't start off with your huge Big Mama program. That is going to be so overwhelming for you the first time you're going through this process. You will just get imposter syndrome. You will feel suffocated. Anyone, absolutely anyone, trying to do anything brand new at a huge scale straight from the starting line will just be setting themselves up for overwhelm, and it's going to be tough. Start small. Course creation mistake number three that I see loads of newbies making is that they are afraid of trolls. Now, none of us like to be criticized. I can't imagine there's anyone out there that actually enjoys people saying mean things about them. I think you might have to be a little bit sadist, right? But the point is, when you are going out onto the internet, of course people might say mean things about you. Of course you might get a bad review. Of course you might get Mad Margaret who comes on a drunken sprawl on your Facebook page and says something ridiculous. It's the internet. But too many course creators focus on what might go wrong rather than focusing on what might go right. What if people say nice things about you? What if they love you? What if they write really cool things like, hey, thank you for this course, you've changed my life? What if they say nice things? It is absolutely amazing to me how, myself included, all of us focus so much on self-protection preservation. That's that flight or fight biologically ingrained in us to protect ourselves from danger, in this case, a mean word, which isn't going to kill us, rather than focusing on all of the amazing, good, positive, happy, growth expanding things that could happen to us if we get the course out there. We focus on what could go wrong instead of focusing on what could go go right and likely will go right if we just get over ourselves and get our thing out there. Let's face it, guys, you have full control over your own platforms. If Mad Margaret does get on a wine binge and start saying something mean about you, you can delete it and get on with your life. So please just put aside the fears of what might go wrong and instead focus on all the people out there that you can help, all the lives that you can change, including your own. And if you do keep up that consistency in your marketing, potentially the income that you could be bringing in as well. But there we have it, the real big mistakes that a lot of course creators make when they first start creating their online courses or coaching programs or memberships. And if you want to make sure that you skip all of the mistakes and get the results that you're looking for, come and grab my free course creation starter kit. And if you really want to get there faster, come and join my concept to course coaching program. In 30 days, I will personally walk you through creating your own online courses, coaching programs, or membership academy, and you will have it out of your head on your own platform and launched out into the world in just 30 days. That's Concept to Course, and you can go and find out more about that at sarahcordiner.com/C2C. I'll see you there.